start our first video of this semester. Module 1, Introduction to Container. Part A, Dependency Objects. Before we do that, I want to use 2 videos to explain our syllabus. At this point, I think you have seen the syllabus. But I need to explain a lot of things. All right, the first one, Part A 0.1, Overview, Homework and Projects. First, I'd like to explain the basic information and the prerequisite. For the basic information, first, the office hour. Each week, I give 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And in those 3 days, you have 1 hour from 4 to 5 p.m. office hour. So usually not many students came last semester. So usually every 2 or 3 weeks, there are 1 or 2 students came. So so what I mean is, if you have questions, just come to the office hour. So you have plenty of time. All right. Then for the phone, so here I can only put up my cell phone. Because my UMSL office phone, so you cannot reach me. But for the cell phone, it is better you send me a text message. So then I will give you a response immediately. So last semester, only 1 student sent me. In 3 classes, only 1 student, frequently ask me questions using text messages. Other students just use regular emails. All right, so that's the phone. For the email, for email communication, so usually you may not get immediate response. For that situation, usually if you send me messages, if you use Canvas way, in Canvas you can send messages, right? That will be better, because Canvas way, there is no garbage mail. So all messages come from my students from 3 classes. So I just process 1 by 1. So I won't miss anyone, right? But if you send to this mailbox, there are many garbage mails. So I need to, try to find the good ones among a lot of garbage mails. So sometimes I may miss 1 or 2, things like that. So this way is much better. Okay? All right. So then, for the videos for this class, so here I may like to let you know. So usually for 1 week, we have 2 days for the classes. I need to deliver teaching materials on those 2 days. For this class, we use Monday, Wednesday. Okay, 2 days. But for the current video situation, I need to teach 3 classes. I need to make videos for 3 classes. And when I do a video lesson, usually the time I used is about 3 times the regular, non-video teaching time. So you can, because pre-processing, post-processing, a lot of things. So you may not get all the videos ready for these 2 days. So here, let's set our expectation like this. Weekdays. Okay, So in the weekdays, I try to make all the videos for this week ready in the weekdays. So you just follow my videos. Yeah. But at the weekend, you can always expect the videos should be ready completely at the weekend. So you should watch all the videos of that week in the weekend. Catch up, all the videos in that weekend. Yeah. All right. So that's pretty much the expectation. Yeah. I try to make it as fair as possible, but sometimes it is very hard. Yeah. I try my best. Yeah. All right. Next, prerequisite for this class. 4010. 4010. Yeah. The course title of Advanced Web Programming in Java. Yeah. So that's the course title. Okay. Yeah. In that course, you learn servlets and JSP technology. Yeah. So mainly servlets and JSP technology. Okay. This time we go another level higher of advanced Java technologies. Yeah, so next slide, I will talk about the technologies. Yeah. So make sure you have this background. Yeah. I saw several students from my 4010 class last semester. Yeah. So they are well prepared. Yeah, I think. Yeah. So they're ready. Yeah. So from there, I will introduce several important new Java technologies. Now, we call it enterprise web development. Enterprise for large company. Yeah. So these technologies are frequently used in those big corporation type companies. Yeah. All right. Next, technologies, homework, and projects. First, regarding the textbook and the technologies. Textbook, I do not select formal textbook. Yeah. Although I select before, but I felt the result actually not very good. Yeah, the result not very good. Yeah. So this time I do this way. I provide you complete, detailed notes. Yeah, so the note part. Yeah. But at the same time, we will use some online documents. Yeah. And for this semester, we will learn a very important technology called the micron technology. Micron technology. So later I will explain a little more micron technology. So this technology, I will provide their user's guide. Okay, yeah. So I will post their user's guide. Yeah. So also we get a lot of technical details from that document. Yeah. So in my notes, I will refer to the sections in that document. Okay, yeah. So then, technologies to be covered. First, Spring MVC. So it's a very popular advanced Java technology. Spring MVC, Model View Controller. MVC, Model View Controller. Yeah. I can explain a little bit in my class, Spring MVC. Yeah. So this technology was around for 10-something years, but now it is still very popular. So we learned that as the foundation for this class. Another high-level foundation, so not low-level foundation. Low-level servlet JSP, that's the low-level foundation. Now we move to higher level, but we need a new foundation. So this Spring MVC provides us that new foundation. Then the Hibernate, so that's the database framework. One special database framework, also very popular. So extremely popular. So I also talk about that. and we will use that in our project. Yeah. Then this technology currently extremely popular, Spring Boot. Yeah. Using Spring, but some new ideas used in this technology, Spring Boot. Yeah. So we will also learn that. Yeah. If you have the Spring background, then you get to Spring Boot very easy. Yeah. So we do not need to spend a lot of time. Yeah. Just some concepts, some examples. You can quickly get into the Spring Boot technology. Yeah. All right. So at the end, this micronaut. What's the micronaut? Yeah, some company, developed this new technology for the whole industry, called a micronaut, but its purpose, here, microservices framework. So industry, the currently used microservices framework. So this services concept, extremely important. New approach, extremely popular in current web programming industry. Yeah. So, so we will spend a lot of time to learn this new technology, microservices. Yeah. And this one, Micronaut, so that framework, so we use that, we can develop the real world applications. Okay, all right. So that's the technology part. Then coursework and the grading policies. The first, homework assignments. We will have 2 homework assignments because we will have 2 tests, midterm test and a final exam. Preparing for these 2 tests, so I just give you 2 homework assignments. So that number is pretty small, 1 for each test, the minimum, because we have a lot of other things to do. So for that reason, I cannot give you too many homework assignments because we have many other things to do. Okay, but you need to practice a little more than that, more than just the homework assignments. So I give you comprehension questions. Self-study, you do not turn in, I do not grade those questions, but I just post the answers. Then I will find a chance to explain questions, okay, in those sets. All right. Oh, regarding the question types, I use this type, 25 questions. So each assignment, 25 questions. Okay? So basically, so what type? Questions, multiple choice type. All right. Short answer type. Right? These 2 types. Okay. That's enough. All right. Then programming projects. That's a big part of this class. To learn these advanced technologies well, you have to do a lot of program projects. So here you can see I give the total 4 programming projects total. Okay, 30% of this class for that part. But among the 4 programming projects, the first 3 small projects, each one only 5%. 5%. So relatively small. So you work on some, relatively small application. So you do not need to spend a lot of time to complete it. So I will give you a sample project to help you work it out. So each project, I give you approximately 3 weeks to complete it. Yeah, approximately 3 weeks to complete it. Yeah. So you should have plenty of time. Yeah, 3 weeks. But it's a small, relatively small one, you know. But the last one is a big project. 15%. 15%, big one. Yeah. So that one is a micronal. We will use the micronal technology. So micronal project, that big one. Okay, big one. Yeah. So this big project, so I will give you at least 6 weeks to complete. And I will give you a lot of instructions, so a lot of examples, explanations, discussions to help you complete this big project, the most important project of this class. If you can get it done, then we will learn a lot of things from this class. Yeah. All right. So that is the part 1 of my syllabus explanation. Yeah. I need to explain the second half, the syllabus, in my next video. Yeah. All right. So let me stop here. Yeah.